So, good evening, guys. I'm Perez. My channel name is Nyandira245. If you are new to YouTube, guys, subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share. So today we want to cook omena. I want to show you how to prepare fried omena, not stew. We have stew and we have dry. So this one is a dry omena. So as per now, I'm removing the this omena is from Lake Victoria, not from the fish pond. So guys, as you can see on the jiko, I have hot water. So this hot water is for washing this omena. So we are washing omena with the hot water to make it soft a bit, because this one, it has stayed for some for long. So I have to wash it with the hot water. In fact, it's warm water. So I'm almost done with this. So these ones I'm leaving for my cat. I have a cat, guys. So I can't cook everything. So remember, I know you are wondering, maybe here is dark. In fact, it is it is gloomy outside, guys, and the rain is raining. That's why you are seeing me like it is dark. It is not, but so it is too hot. So I'll mix it with the cold water. So I want to mix it with cold water. It is hot.
I don't want to get fire.
Where is another bishop? Oh. So guys, I want to drain this water, and I'll drain it here. It is really hot. So the rain is just about to rain. So guys, I have to put it there first. So that's our dry omena fried one. So guys, I want to put an oil. So guys, I'm going to put an oil. This omena, the fried one. So I'm going to add, remember the fried omena normally takes a lot of oil. So you don't put small oil, few of it. So if you put small oil, remember that omena will not be, it will not be that, so that oil is enough. So as we wait for Omena to get ready a bit, so we have to turn it every now and then so that it can on this side I'm cooking some greens. So here I want to cut some tomatoes. I have onions. Onions I'll just cut on top of Omena. So Linda, let us sahani huko ama iko ndani sana. Let us sahani nikate ni. Sorry, 2 tomatoes, sorry. Then I have 1 onion and another thing is salt. So those are the ingredients. But most of the time I like these onions, this green one, the natural one, not this one of, not this bulb onion. So this one is ready here. On this side you can see kales. This one also I want to prepare it. So I was busy guys doing some other course, so that's why I'm late a bit to prepare to make a video. But I'm just on a good track guys, we'll just receive this video on a good time. So that's our Omena. We are still waiting, but it is not yet dried.